Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, let us understand the concept of multiplication. The product of A times B is defined only if the number of columns of A is equal to the number of rows of B. Example, there are two matrices are given. A is a matrix having two columns and B is a matrix having two rows. So these two matrices are conformable for multiplication. The product of A times B defined as top left entry is obtained by the product of first row times first column. 1 times of 4 plus 2 times of 1. Top right entry is obtained by the product of first row times second column. 1 times of -1 plus 2 times of 2. Bottom left entry is obtained by the product of second row times first column. 3 times of 4 plus 0 times of 1. Similarly, bottom right entry is obtained by the product of second row times second column. 3 times of -1 plus 0 times of 2. 1 times of 4 that is equal to 4 plus 2 times of 1 that is equal to 2. 1 times of -1 plus 2 times of 2 that is equal to 4. 3 times of 4 that is equal to 12 plus 0 times of 1 that is equal to 0. 3 times of -1 that is equal to -3 plus 0 times of 2 that is equal to 0. Hence the product of A times B is equal to matrix having elements 6, 3, 12 and -3. Exercise 1.4 here first question. Which of the following products of matrices is conformable for multiplication? In first matrix having two columns and second matrix having two rows. So these two matrices are conformable for multiplication. In first matrix having two columns and second matrix having two rows. These matrices are conformable for multiplication. In first matrix having one column and second matrix having two rows. These matrices are not conformable for multiplication. In first matrix having two columns and second matrix having two rows. These matrices are conformable for multiplication. Question number 2. If A is equal to matrix having elements 3, 0, -1 and 2. B is equal to matrix having elements 6 and 5. Find in first A times B and second B times A, if possible. Now we find the product of A times B. First entry is obtained by the product of first row times first column. Second entry is obtained by the product of second row times first column. So 3 times of 6 plus 0 times of 5. -1 times of 6 plus 2 times of 5. 3 times of 6 that is equal to 18 plus 0 times of 5 that is equal to 0. -1 times of 6 that is equal to -6 plus 2 times of 5 that is equal to 10. Hence the product of A times B that is equal to matrix having elements 18 and 4. Second B times of A. The number of columns of B is not equal to the number of rows of A. So it is impossible.